Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide message previews in Facebook Messenger notifications. Perfect for keeping your conversations private, especially when your phone is locked or someone's nearby. So let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone to open your settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Notifications and Sounds. Now look for the option that says Notification Previews or Show Previews. By default, this is usually turned on, which means whenever someone sends you a message, a preview of it shows up on your lock screen or notification bar. But if you want more privacy, just toggle it off. Now your phone will still let you know when you get a message, but it won't display any part of the actual message. Nice and simple. And that's it. You've just made your Messenger notifications way more private. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing, helpful tips like this. I'll see you in the next video.